Hey everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a table in Canva. Let's get into it. First, open your design. The first step is to pick the project where you want to put your new table. You need to be on your main work page to find the table tools. Click on your project from the home screen and wait for it to open. Make sure you have enough empty space on your page for the table. You must be inside the editor to see the menu that has all the shapes and tables for your design. Next, find the Elements menu. You need to look for the place where Canva keeps all the different parts you can add to a page. Look at the left side of your screen and click on the button that says Elements. Scroll down past the pictures and shapes until you see a section for tables. The Elements menu is like a big box of tools. This is where you find the tables that you can just click and use. Next, pick your favorite table. Now you can choose what kind of table you want. You can pick one with many colors or a very simple one with thin lines. Click on the table style that you like best for your project. A small table will appear right in the middle of your page. Picking a style that is already made saves you time. It ensures you have a good starting point for your design without having to draw every line yourself. Lastly, change the size and type your words. The final step is to make the table big enough for your info and then type in your numbers or words. Pull the corners of the table to make it wider or taller for the look. Click inside one of the small boxes and start typing your information. Once you fill in the boxes, your table is done. Remember that you have to keep finding the right output for your design to make it look perfect. Now your project is finished and looks very tidy. And that's it. To add a table in Canva, open your project, go to the Elements menu, pick a table style, and fill in your information. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.